I didn't?
Then it isn't.
Come on, tell me about it. Maybe I can help.
I don't think so.
Are you kidding me? Who knows more about girls than your Uncle Charlie?
Warren Beatty, Bill Clinton, Rosie O'Donnell.
Why should I talk to you? You've messed up every relationship you've ever been in.
Well, yeah, but...
So you're not exactly a good example.
I get it.
I mean, if our women have one-night stands...
All right. You've made your points. So don't talk to me.
I won't.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
You drive me in the mall?
Why?
It's private.
So's my car.
All right. I want to buy a present.
Or
It's a secret.
I'll throw in another 10.
Wendy Cho.
Aha! A present for Wendy Cho. Now, is this an offering to grease the wheels, or a parting gift for the wheels having already been greased?
Grease the wheels? See, that's why I don't talk to you about this stuff.
Well, he may be as dull as a butter knife, but you got to admit he's a good judge of character.
Sure it doesn't have anything to do with sex?
Positive.
Well, sure sounds like it. He knows.
Megan, there's just your daddy's coming. Oh, please. Yes. She didn't change the lock. But that's new.
I like those.
Start
Yeah, they're silver and they got ruby eyes.
Okay, first of all, for $11.95, those aren't rubies.